doctors, welcome back to MedPrep by Academically. Are you also looking out for an opportunity to work in government, to work in one of the enterprise Navratna? So here I am with BEL, Bharat Electronics Limited, an exclusive opportunity for the senior medical officer and medical officer. So in this video, we are going to discuss the application process, the eligibility, the salary, and what is the date for the interview. So let us discuss in detail. So first of all, when I talk about the roles and responsibilities, handling the emergency cases, medical cases, OPD, clinical assessments, these are basic job roles that any physician is expected. Qualification, if you want to apply for the medical officer, just an MBBS degree from a National Medical Council, MCA approved institute. If you want to go for the senior medical officer, you need an MD or MS, any of them. If you have a higher degree, DM, DNB, that's brownie points, but you need to have an MD or an MS degree from a recognized institute. Experience depends upon if you're trying for the senior medical officer, there's a relatable experience that is required. Your age should not exceed more than 31 years in medical officer and 38 years in senior medical officer. There's a relaxation of age in the non-creamy layer and the PWD candidates. So there are approximately 5 vacancies, 3 for MO and 2 for SMO. Let us have a look at what is the expected CTC. Sir, kitni salary hai? So as a medical officer, rupees 12 lakhs per annum. That is approximately 1 lakh per month. And in senior medical officer, 15 lakhs per annum. So this is a very lucrative salary, and we all know that as doctors, if you are practicing in hospitals or in the FAHABA clinics, we have a lot of work to do. Over here, we have comparatively lesser amount of work which can be done. The application process, so you need different documentations, your basic ID proofs, government ID proofs, your basic information like education details, internship and experience certificates, if any. So BEL is a Navratna public service undertaking, that it's a PSU that is under the Ministry of Defense, and over here you will be into a government job. So what else do you need? The application fees for the form is rupees 500 plus 18% GST and rupees 400 plus 18% GST for the fixed term. So there will be permanent as well as the fixed term posts. Application process, download the prescribed application form. The link is in the description box. You can go and check out and download the application from there. Attach the documents and send a post to the manager in the Bell at Bengaluru. So this is it for the medical officer information. If you're looking out for more opportunities in India as well as abroad, then MedPrep by Academically is a platform for you. Stay connected with Akram sir, stay connected with MedPrep, and stay connected with Payam sir for more such upcoming information, notices, vacancies and recruitments.